What's up, everybody? Let's check out Portland with me. I listed out amazing places that you have to visit, starting from the farthest one, Crater Lake. The north entrance is closed during the winter time, so it added another 30 minutes. We couldn't finish the whole trail because halfway through the trail, the steepest part of it was covered with so much snow. Oh, by the way, I also did a meaty photo shoot along the way around Paulina Lake. If you don't want to drive all the way to Crater Lake, there is also Smith Rock State Park, and especially I highly recommend you do Misery Ridge Trail. It was amazing. Check out Trillium Lake if you want to fly your drone with the backdrop of Mount Helen. While you are in the Mount Helen area, definitely check out Tamanawas Falls. From Portland, you can drive to the beach just to relax, or in this case, fly the drone. Just make sure to not fly your drone over or around Haystack Rock. Ready, set, go! Let's go chasing waterfalls. Did you go chasing waterfalls with me? Then you're in the right place. Silver Falls State Park, Trail of 10 Falls. It's a must-do. Just 30 minutes from Portland, you have access to an abundance of nature at Columbia River Gorge. I suggest you guys drive along the scenic highway and stop at these places that I pointed out. They are incredibly beautiful. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy it.